The bees are out in full force right now. It's almost as if in springtime here in October. They're all coming around the pond to get a drink. They love getting their drink off of some of the moss growing on the rocks. Hello and welcome back, my friends. So this fruit tree here behind me is literally worth a fortune. This pomegranate tree has some beautiful ripe pomegranates ready to go now, just loaded down. Look at that. Now, last night I went out to the grocery store. Not a specialty store, just your average large grocery store. And they had a little bin of these pomegranates, non-organic, conventionally grown, and they were charging $3.99 a piece. And they were on the smaller side, like maybe this size. I got some really large ones growing here. And I thought to myself, my goodness, I think that's about $1 increase from last year. So each and every year, all the fruit trees growing in my backyard food forest are becoming more and more valuable. And I'm not talking about resale value, I'm just talking about being able to get high quality food, nutritionally rich, for a decent price. It's becoming harder and harder. So I just want to send out this video message to you all to remind you, it's never too late, it's always a good time to start growing more perennials in your garden or to expand on what you already have. Now, we're here in October, we're in the winter season officially, and in a short amount of time, many of the retailers, both brick and mortar and online, who offer fruit trees are going to offer pre-orders for next season's bare root and potted fruit trees. And I highly recommend that you start considering now what you might want to add into your garden. And if you can, get those orders in early, because a lot of these varieties of trees do sell out very quickly. So as long as we're out here, let's go ahead and harvest one of these nice pomegranates. I highly recommend when doing so, use a pair of good secateurs, nice and sharp. Trying to just pull the fruit off can damage the limb of the tree quite easily. We got a beautiful fruit here. Let's cut into it now. This is my first meal of the day. So I truly hope that if you're not already growing big, that you consider the investment that gardening truly is and how it can improve every area of your life, offer you more enjoyment, more abundance. So with that, I want to thank you all for watching. Have yourself a great rest of the day. Until next time, this is Dan from plantabundance.com. Take care. I'll be talking to you again soon.